All right, what's up, guys? I'm DJ Dirty Bass. We are running in our county fair
Labor Day
parade. We've got the Impala. Have they seen this on YouTube? I can't remember if I've showed y'all this, but anyway,
sure.
We've got 4 Audio Ace Joker 15s on a Down for Sound JP 43 at 1 ohm, and this town's not really got a lot of bass heads, so we're gonna see how people react to it. But we got some candy to throw out. We've actually got some full-size candy bars in here too. But we're gonna play some bass. Ashlyn's gonna be recording some videos of the parade and stuff, and we'll bring y'all along for the ride. So we'll see you out there. We're just playing around with it.
I get a bit about it, give me 5 more ways. Hard times when you got a whole fake, cause the devil trying to kill you and it's not okay.
We ran out of candy a little bit too early, y'all.
Got me by surprise. She said, "Kid, just move the windows down. You wanna get lost, don't get to town." In the Chevrolet. She said.
right, guys, we're back from the parade. We're actually in the county fairgrounds right now. This is where it ends. But we ran out of candy like a third of the way through. We didn't bring enough. We had a 5-gallon bucket full. But car did all right. Voltage tanked, man. We got down to like 11.5 at one point. But this was fun. I think we're going to start doing these a little bit more often. And we like to be in our local community, and that's something that we haven't really reached out into. This is the first time we've done anything like this really locally. Well, we did have an audio show here, but yeah, we had fun. And we need an alternator because we still got stock alt, and the car's sitting at 12.5 right now, and it's not going up anymore. So it's probably got a dead off. But subscribe, check out djdirtybass.com for all your rebase music. Audio equipment, I'm a dealer for Audio Ace and Resilient Sounds. So anything you need from them, you can get with me, and I'll get it for you. See y'all later.